how to install the last row of flooring. So here I have a piece that I need to fit, and as you can see, when I try to fit it, it hits the skirting and will not fit. So what you need to do is bring the flooring out and lay it down where it will go in, and the same way that you're going to insert it, and line it up on the piece of flooring so it all matches up, as you can see here. Then you want a scrap piece of flooring, but it should be the same width, I may add. Place it against the wall and then on the top of the flooring, and mark along all the way like that. Then we now need to cut this line here. You can use a jigsaw, a circular saw, or anything that you have, even a handsaw. So we need to cut this line. Let me do that. Now here I am back with our piece of cut wood, and now, and you see I line it up, it'll go in perfect, and it fits perfectly against that wall.